Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, daily chart, and we're still jammed in here. So you got some resistance, you got some higher lows. It's a little ascending, whatever here. The 50's holding it in, 9 days holding it up, 20-day as well. So there's your middle Bollinger Band, which they kind of tested yesterday. During the regular session, they didn't come near any of it, including the new weekly pivot. You can see that better on the hourly chart here. So they tested that. It was like 4 in the morning. Regular session, they lifted it. They, on 2 different occasions yesterday, they kind of caught shorts out over the tips of their skis a little bit. Right off the open, came in, it bounced off of the OPG, like right around the 10 o'clock hour, and they took that up to 44.14. Then you got a little bit of a dip there, almost 2 o'clock down into 85, which immediately got snapped up. Now, they didn't take that to a higher high, which is a problem for the bulls, okay? They're not necessarily behaving well either. You've got a big, kind of sloppy consolidation going on here. But you can see you just keep having more support at that at the green line, the 20-day simple, the middle Bollinger Band. And as long as that happens, these dips are going to get bought. Well, they've been grinding it down all night. Look, this 4400, 4401 area, that was a magnet all afternoon. It was a magnet in the first part of Globex. You got monthly pivot there. You got 4,400 there. That's always, areas that are going to get fought over. The one thing that's different this morning is, instead of being above the hourly mid-band, we're below it. So the bears have a good chance to seal off a lot of this here. They're trying to seal it off, but as the bell rings, you got the 9-day down here, the weekly pivot, and the 20-day. They have an opportunity to make some progress, get down and deal with some of these areas. But here's the rub. You go down and deal with that, bears, you better not run out of gas when you get there. Otherwise, it's just going to be me drawing another oval for another dip buy. And if you take out the 44.14, then it's really got to go back to the Thursday highs here, up at 44.30, and then potentially up to the 50-day. You can see the line there. That doesn't all have to happen today. That's a little bit of a longer view. What's important today, you've got volume weighted average price 43.93, proprietary moving average basically 90.5, daily pivot comes in 91.5. What's important for today, if you're a bear, is everything you print today during the regular session needs to have a 43 on it, not a 44. You need to try to close below at least one of these lines. If you can accomplish that, then it sets you up midweek into the end of the week to make some progress. If you're the bulls, you don't want any of that to happen. And the next time you get back up to 4,400, you better turn it into support. Door number 3 is we keep consolidating. And if that's the case, then you got to trade less, not more. Take your profits where you can find them. Hit your number for the day, move on. But don't, make your number, give it back. Don't go through all that energy. Because if all we're doing is consolidating on either side of 4,400, it's not worth it. It's not going. It'll go somewhere when it's ready. It's not going to go somewhere when you're ready. Markets don't work that way for me, you, for anybody. So keep that in mind. Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Wrap up after 4 o'clock. Subscriber webcast tonight. Join the Circle community. Subscribe. Get all the stuff. Get the charts. Get the pivots. Get everything when it comes out, all in one spot. And come in and check things out, and then watch that wrap up and see if if we're right for you. Let us help you. Let us help you. It's simple as that. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to everybody tonight. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.